Imagine mastering the art of construction site management and supervision, being in control of work methods, systems, personnel, and resources to meet work requirements successfully. Picture yourself skillfully maintaining progress, quality, and costs, developing cohesive and positive working relationships along the way. See yourself leading project meetings, managing changes, conflicts, and dispute resolution with ease. Visualize being confident with cost control, progressing payment administration successfully. Think about managing the performance of teams and individuals with assurance. This course is your ticket to becoming a new project professional, site engineer, cost engineer, superintendent, construction site manager, or supervisor. It's also ideal for anyone looking to upskill for future work. So immerse yourself in this learning journey and take the first step towards mastering construction site management and supervision today.